Now we will see when the index is a rational number in the form of 1 upon n. Rational number means fraction form. That means 1 upon n form. To show the square root of a number, the index is written as 1 upon 2. To show the square root of a number, the index is written as 1 upon 2. Okay. See the example. Square root of a. Square root of a we can written in a symbolic form in the root a or a raised to 1 upon 2. Again I am repeating. Square root of a is written as in root a, means in root means in square root. This is the sign for square root. We never written the 2 power inside, but the meaning of this sign is square root. So square root of a or a raised to 1 upon 2. This is the general form. Now we will see with the help of example. So see the second. Square root of 25 is written as in a symbolic form in square root of 25 or 25 raised to 1 upon 2. That means 25 raised to 1 upon 2. The meaning of this is what? Square root of 5. The answer is 5. This sign is called as radical sign. This sign is called as radical sign. In general, square of a can be written as a square and square root of a is written as in the root a or a raised to 1 upon 2. Similarly, cube of a can be written as a cube and cube root of a is written as in a cube root a. Okay students? Example, cube root of 64 can be written as in a symbolic form in cube root of 64 or with the help of index 64 raised to 1 upon 3. Okay? This is in a square root form. This is symbolic form and this is the index form. Okay? Therefore, cube root of 64 is 4. Conversely, fifth root of a 243 is expressed as in the index form 243 raised to 1 upon 5 or in fifth root 243. We knew that or note that fifth root of 243 is 3. Okay. In general, nth root of a is expressed as a raised to 1 upon n. Nth root of a number, nth root of a is expressed as a raised to 1 upon n. This is important fill-ups. Example, 128 raised to 1 upon 7. How we will express in the form of root? 7th root of 128. Why 7th root? Because see here 7 is in denominator. Denominator means in a root. So 7th root of 128. Second one, 900 raised to 1 upon 12. So now here which root? Root means denominator. So 12th root of 900. Note that if 10 raised to 1 upon 2 is equal to x, then x square, this 1 upon 2 index goes to opposite side, it become x square and we will get x square is equal to 10. Let us see practice set 3.1. Question number 1. Express the following numbers in index form. First one, fifth root of 13. Now students, here they said fifth root of 13. Which number? 13. So write down first 13. Okay. Fifth root, that means 1 upon 5. Got it? Question number 2. 6th root of 9. Which number? 9. So write down 9 first. 6th root, hence 1 upon 6. Next question. Square root of 256. So number is 256. Square root means 1 upon 2. Got it? Fourth one. Cube root of 17. Which number? 17. And cube root means 1 upon 3. 8 root of 100. So, first 100. 8 root, that means raised to 1 upon 8. Got it, students? 7th root of 30. So, 30. 7th root means 1 upon 7th. So, how we will read this number? 30 raised to 1 upon 7. Okay. Now, question number 2. Write in the form of nth root of a. That means in a word form in each of the following numbers. Now, here this question is a opposite of question number 1. Okay, in a question number 1 we written index form. Now here we have to write down nth root of a form. Okay, so how we will read this number? Nth root means we have to read the root number first. Root means denominator. Here which number it is in denominator? 4. So how we will write this? 4th root of 81. Understand? Next one. 49 raised to 1 upon 2. In root means in denominator. Which number? 2. So we not write for 2. What we are writing? Square. Don't write 2 root. Okay. When in a root 2 is there, how we will read that number? Square root of 49. Okay. Next one. 15 raised to 1 upon 5. So here in the denominator, that means in root, which number? 5. So it is 5th root of 15. Next. 512 raised to 1 upon 9. So in a denominator it is 9. So 9th root of 512. Fifth one. 100 raised to 1 upon 19. So how we will read this number? In a root, now in a denominator it is 19. So 19th root of 100. Okay. And the last one, 6 raised to 1 upon 7. Here in the denominator it is 7. So 7th root of 6. Understand, students? This is practice set 3.1.